What is going on YouTube, guys? Your boy is back with another video. My name is Jeremy Park and welcome to my YouTube channel where I do all fitness, travel, everything aesthetic related. And yeah, we're here in Spain and I've been here for the last 2.5 weeks. I've been filming a little bit, but check out the shreds. How much you guys think I weigh right now? Lighting is also doing me justice. But yeah, today's video is pretty much just another episode of the best gyms in the world. Today we got Canary Island, Las Palmas edition. Today we're gonna go to a gym called Raza. It's the gym I've been training at for boxing, bodybuilding, HIIT, everything. And they got a fucking skate park, which is sick. So far this island has been super sick. Try to come out with a travel video of Canary Island, but today we're hitting the gym and we're getting a filthy pump. Got a big ass water, gotta stay hydrated out here in Spain. So the really cool part about this gym is that it's 2 blocks away from the apartment, my girlfriend's family's apartment, and yeah, it's a super quick walk. I'll show you guys the inside, I'll show you guys everything. The owner's really nice. He's been letting me train and do everything I need to film for TikTok and Instagram and things like that, so I really appreciate him. Also, one thing about Spain, they're like 2 months behind, so these masks, they're still on, boys. Everybody wears masks around here. I don't want to be the guy that isn't wearing it. Raza. Normally there's a front desk guy here, but we're just gonna move this thing around, scooch it back in, and we're in the gym, boys. Now the really cool thing about this gym is that masks, not mandatory, so we're already +1 over here. I'm gonna give you a full rundown of the gym from top to bottom, then we'll get into a little workout. This is the bodybuilding section where you got all the machines. It's super old. They got all these rusty little things, but it still works. Look at this rope, just super old school. The machines are all right here, and then you got all the treadmill stuff, cardio equipment. They pretty much got everything you need. They got cables, they got machines, they got dumbbells, they got a bench, they got some leg press stuff, all for bodybuilding specific. So now this section of the gym is more functional CrossFit, just like the jungle gym play style of fitness. And we got like a couple ropes, some rings, a bunch of barbells for powerlifting and things like that, and then box jumps. And then we got a rock wall right here, which is kind of sick, a tire, and what's really cool are these rope climbs that are super fun to do to get you know, those back muscles. You got a rower, foam roller, and yeah, this is the functional section. Spent a lot of time here just doing muscle ups, things like that. So now we're in the boxing MMA fight style section. And it is awesome. They got heavy bags, they got these lighter bags, they got another medium heavy bag back there, and then they got a full boxing ring, which is absolutely insane. And they got these mats, which are really cool to train on. I like to go barefoot here and do some stuff here, so we'll be in here later doing some training for that. And then they got a whole MMA section, mats for just like grappling and stuff like that. Oh, they also got these Fairtex, like, I guess like striking pads. I'm gonna definitely test this out. They got another one over here, which is dope. Fairtex, these are actually the same brand as my boxing gloves, which is dope. I saw the bodybuilding, functional, and the boxing side of the gym. Now we're walking into the favorite part of the gym, and it is the mini ramp. This is so sick. I've never been to a gym that had a mini ramp before, and when I walked in here, well, I actually walked right past this window and saw this mini ramp walking by, and I'm like, no way. so obviously I came in here and I have to check it out, and ever since, it was only 20 euros for 2.5 weeks, and I got to do everything: boxing, use the mini ramp, they supply helmets and skateboards, so this is a win-win. This is probably the most fun gym I've ever been to, just because I'm allowed to do whatever I want. I'm allowed to take my shirt off, I'm allowed to film, I'm allowed to skate, I'm allowed to box, I'm allowed to bodybuild, I'm allowed to do everything that I want under one roof, and that's exactly what I need. And I can't believe it's only 2 blocks away from where I'm living, and I'm definitely gonna miss this place for sure. But let's get into some skating to warm up a little bit. I'm gonna take some pre-workout, and then we'll do bodybuilding, then fight training. So it should be a long day. Let's go. To kick this session off, we are going to take a little half scoop of the Performix. We're gonna skate for probably 15-20 minutes, land a few tricks, and then get into our lift. But I found that skating for me is like the best warm up. I get a nice sweat going, and just feels good. I have fun doing it, you know? So we're gonna get started. Cheers, boys. If you want Performix SST Pre, best pumps in the game, guys. They have thermogenics, they got pump agents, they got a ton of caffeine in here. That's why I only take 1/3 scoops, half scoops, whatever it is, to get that pump crazy. Guys, cheers, half scoop gang. Let's go. Blueberry lemonade, by the way, and code JPark for 30% off. Let's go. Earned a few tricks. This ramp is so fun, learning a ton of new things here. Just able to flow back and forth and have fun with it. Now we're going on to some bodybuilding training. So for today's bodybuilding session, we're gonna be doing back, chest, and some shoulders. I'll save arms for another day. Yeah, it should be good. I like doing full upper body when I'm traveling and stuff, so I can hit that volume and everything. We're not really going for strength here, we're just going for pump. So first exercise, we're supersetting pull-ups with Smith machine incline bench. Whew. We're going for about 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps on everything. Moving on to a rear delt fly with a single arm dumbbell row, going for 15 on each volume set. As you can tell, the pump is absolutely stupid right now. Next up, we are doing an incline Arnold press bench, and then a shoulder press right here. If you don't have this machine here, you can just do standing dumbbell shoulder press. Now we're doing a lat pull down paired with lateral raise, and then we're tri-setting to a decline push-up post grip. This is gonna be a killer right here. So now we just did a cable fly cross chest with a cable row, and now we're gonna finish off with some pull-ups till failure and then push-ups till failure. Then we'll move on to our boxing. Do a quick physique check. Haven't bodybuilded in a minute, but let me know what you guys think about the physique so far. Surfing and island living right here, boys. We're gonna rip our push-ups now. We just got 20 pull-ups. At the end of this workout, we're going for 2 more reps, 2 more sets. Guys, I'm so gassed right now. But if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I would appreciate it the most. I'm trying to get on that weekly schedule, but traveling has kind of made it very difficult with Wi-Fi, editing, and me just doing a lot of things at once. Oh man, so the plan was to box after that lift and skate session, but I'm absolutely gassed. I've been here for about like 3.5 hours, I think, so we're gonna call it quits. I'll show you guys boxing in another video. Love you guys. Make sure to follow my Instagram and TikTok to see daily content, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.